Look at the big friendly cow. Can you say moo? Oink, oink. A happy little pig is playing in the mud. Baa Baa. The fluffy sheep says hello. It's so soft. Quack, quack. Here comes the little yellow duck. Neigh. See the strong horse run. Neigh, neigh.
Cluck! Mother chicken and her little chicks.
We met so many animal friends today. Which one was your favorite?